The Skydio X10D is the Department of Defense's Blue UAS-approved small tactical drone, a compact, rugged quadcopter packed with advanced cameras and AI for real-time intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. It provides secure, jam-resistant video and mapping in contested environments, enabling rapid airfield assessments, security sweeps, and shipyard inspections without risking personnel. In February 2026, it flew during Sentry South 26-2 exercises and even supported Coast Guard operations aboard USCGC Polar Star in Antarctica, proving its all-weather expeditionary capability for joint forces. If you enjoyed this video, please like and follow my channel for more content. Vet Miltech, daily from the drop zone.